Good morning, Teacher Robert. Good morning, classmates. This is our report, Kinds of Ecosystem, presented by Thea Rodriguez and Ashira Suarez. What is an ecosystem? It is where plants, animals, and nature live together. Types of ecosystems. Terrestrial, a place on land where plants and animals live together. Land-based ecosystem. Aquatic, water-based ecosystems. It means that places in water where plants and animals live together. Coral reef, an underwater garden made by tiny animals called corals. It is home to many fish and sea creatures, and it helps protect the shore from big waves. Coral polyps build the reef by secreting hard shell-like substances called calcium carbonate that harden to become limestone. The limestone becomes the coral reef's mass of rocks. Bacteria and algae cement the reef together. Different kinds of organisms that are present in a coral reef. They vary from filter feeders to herbivores, animals that only eat plants. Carnivores, organisms that eat the meat of other animals. Omnivores, organisms that eat both plants and animals. Filter feeders are invertebrates that lives at the lower portion of the coral reef. They wait for the food to drop. Kinds of reef. Fringing reef, close to the shore and around an island. Barrier reef, located from a far distance from an island. There is a lagoon between the island and the reef, atoll reef, a circular reef formation located at a far distance from a sunken island. There is a lagoon between the sunken island and the reef. Mangrove swamp. Mangrove swamps are places where the river and sea meet. The water is called brackish, a mix of salty and fresh water. These swamps are full of nutrients and are home to many animals like fish, crabs, oysters, and tiny plankton. Some fish come here to lay their eggs. The main plants are bakawan, tanggal, and busain. These swamps are very important for baby fish and other small animals to grow. Ecological interactions also happen in mangrove swamps. Predation happens when oysters eat zooplankton. Competition happens when mangrove plants fight for nutrients. Parasitism is seen when a starfish eats oysters. Commensalism happens when snails live on mangrove roots without hurting the plant. Mutualism is seen when a bird cleans a crocodile's mouth. The bird the bird gets food and the crocodile gets clean teeth.
How to conserve and protect ecosystems. Number one, conserve water to reduce wastewater going into the oceans. Number two, practice the 5 R's: refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle to help cut down the amount of waste thrown away. Number three, throw your wastes in designated areas when visiting different ecosystems. They can pollute the environment and farm different organisms. Number four, replace the trees that have been cut down to restore damaged ecosystems. Now, Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are terrestrial ecosystems and considered Earth's oldest living ecosystem. They are as old as 100 million years, situated in the tropics near the equator. That is why they are humid and warm. They are called rainforests because of their abundant rainfall they receive every year. Tropical rainforests have the highest number of organisms among the other terrestrial ecosystems. Competition evident among big trees competing for sunlight and nutrients from the soil. Parasitism occurs between a deer and a tick, as the tick sucks blood from the deer to get its nutrients. Commensalism, seen in big trees and epiphytes. Mutualism, present in the termite and flagellate called Trichonompha. This is the continuation of how to conserve and protect ecosystem. Number 5, encourage consumers to avoid buying products made from animals. This will reduce the demand for wildlife products that fuel illegal poaching. Number 6, it takes decades for corals to create reef structures, so do not touch them when swimming and diving in the oceans. Number 7, do not hurt, kill, or bring home animals, especially wild animals. Our homes are not the right places for these animals. They are best left in their natural habitats. Gavino C. Trono, PhD, is a Filipino marine biologist who made outstanding research in tropical marine phycology focusing on seaweed biodiversity. Thank you. I hope you understand our report.